All right, guys, we are in Baton Rouge, staying at the Watermark, and we're at the place called the Gregory, and we're actually still making our way across country. But let's go over the menu real quick. Some really eclectic stuff you'll find in here. Southern food options. This place has really good reviews. We've got a nice little wine list, good whiskey list. Let's see what we order. All right, we went with the sous vide pork tenderloin. And what was this one, babe?
Just the fall harvest salad with chicken.
Ooh, yummy. Looks good. All right, that was amazing. This place is super cool. All right, we're going in the elevator. I enjoyed my dinner, did you?
Yeah, it's great.
All right, from Baton Rouge. Later.